print. Okay, so print preview, we get the shortcut from here. If not, you can go to file and you can click on the print. Okay, so here you can see the print preview, how it is coming, how it will be printed on your sheet. So if you want, you can change it. So if you want to only to print some specific sheets, so you can only click on print selection, or you can print the entire workbook. So if you have multiple sheets, you can print all the sheets. If you want to print only the current sheet, you can only click on the current sheet. Okay, now next you have the portrait or the landscape orientation. So landscape makes sense when you have more columns. Okay, remember this. And portrait makes sense when you have more rows. Okay, so when you have more rows, go for the portrait, and when you have more columns, go for landscape. Okay, for letter, if you see, if I do A4, it is better because it is, it has more space now. Okay, margins, you can, reduce a width. Okay, let me actually do a narrow margin. Now you see, you get more space. Okay. Okay, so like this you can print, and here are the copies which you can do. Okay, so this is print preview and print. Same thing you will get from here also. You came to the same place, this place. Okay, so that was about print preview and print. Next